Welcome back, guys. It is day 78 of 365. It is 4:34 p.m. Yeah, I'm just now starting. I'm cooking, and Elani's doing her course for permits. What is it? Her learner's permit.
Elani's doing her course. Her
course, yeah. And me and Zoe are just prepping our last minute itinerary changes for China, which we will be in China in 11 days.
We're not even changing much. I'm just reading it over and
we're not really changing much. We're just overlooking the dates because like some things changed, and we're testing out Emilio and Emmy's new headphones because I have yet to even do that since I bought them. I had no idea my laptop had a RCA jack. So yeah. We will be back when I'm done cooking and when Emilio wakes up to eat. All right, Emilio is up and Maddie is over. Uh-oh, are you okay? You're okay. Hi.
Hey.
Yay. Yay. Maddie came over and nobody knew she left the house. They ended up knocking on our door and was like, is Maddie here? Scared. And I was like, yeah. So they left her. Hey, buddy. Emilio doesn't feel too good. You want to get down, bud?
Getting down. What?
Maddie and Emme jumping on the trampoline.
I want to do.
Whoa! That was a crazy flip, girl. You guys got ups. You girls got ups. All right.
Let's see how high I can jump. Yeah. Might just not go high. It's gonna boost my jump level up. Okay. You can go over there, right? Yeah. Whoa! 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 Where's Emilio going?
He's strolling. He's just strolling through the neighborhood, through the backyard. Hey, bud. You hungry? You want to eat yet? Whoop. Doing that to mommy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Uh-oh. You want to go inside? Elani is on hour 3 of her permit course. Then she'll do the test. So I'm going to go in and feed Emilio. And we'll be back. What the heck? So when it rains, it pours. Remember when the AC broke and we had to pay $2,000 to fix it and get whole new coils and stuff? Now the $1,800 microwave was smoking and it was 100% electrical, so we took this off. So for now, we just ordered a cheap $60 one from Walmart. It'll get here tomorrow. And honestly, we're not going to buy a new one or figure that out until we get back from China, because we are going on 11 days before we leave, and it's been tiring, right? Getting ready. Lots of getting ready. So every day won't be a long video. Today's short. So Zoe's drinking this. So we will see you tomorrow. We'll see what tomorrow's day gives us with our new cheap get us through microwave. Good night. See you tomorrow.